How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, you guys. If you're new to my YouTube channel and you do not know who I am, my name is Avril Brown. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you guys already read by the title, today I'm going to be talking about side hustles, an easy way for you guys to make extra cash, because I know not everybody likes to work a 9 to 5. A lot of the things that I'm going to mention today, I have done it and I've made extra money from doing it. Before we get to this video, you guys, do not forget to click that subscribe button. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first side hustle job that I want to talk about today is the most obvious one, and that's basically food delivery services. There's Doordash, there's Instacart, there's Uber Eats. A lot of these food delivery services pay you a lot of money to deliver food. You can make up to $30 an hour just delivering food, you guys. It is a great side hustle. Some food delivery services, they do allow you to use a bicycle. You don't always have to have a car, so depending on the area that you're at, you can use a bicycle. Like I said, you can make up to $30-$40 an hour. You pick your own time, it's your own schedule. You can do whatever you want to do with it. Food delivery is a major side hustle, you guys. That's the reason why I made it the first topic that I want to talk about. The second side hustle that I want to talk about is YouTube. I know you guys are like, what? YouTube is a good side hustle. I feel like posting videos and having your own YouTube channel is something that at least everybody's thought about. And if you're one of those people who've been thinking about it but you just never really had the confidence, or you wasn't just able to just start posting videos on your channel, I'm gonna tell you this right now, go ahead and do it, because YouTube is a really great side hustle. They will pay you money to create videos and put ads on your videos and stuff like that. There's a bunch of apps out there that'll pay you money for you to create your own content, to write your own blogs, to post videos. The only thing about YouTube is, in order for you to start making money off of YouTube, you do have to have at least 4,000 watch hours and at least 1,000 subscribers. Before I started my YouTube channel, I was always scared, because I was like, I don't know what people was gonna think, like, do I really want to do this? But I said, you know what, I'm not about to sit here and just keep worrying about what other people have to say. I stopped caring and I posted my first video, you guys. Anything you're interested in, people will watch anything on YouTube. So if you have great ideas of things that you want to do on your channel, please go ahead and do it and post it so that the world can see. The third side hustle job that I want to talk about is apps that will pay you to scan receipts for things that you've already bought. There's apps like Fetch Rewards, Ibotta. Basically, these apps, they will pay you just to scan your receipts. Basically, all you have to do is download the app. It could be Fetch Rewards, Ibotta. There's a bunch of apps out there, you guys. I've personally used Fetch Rewards, and basically all you have to do is take a picture of your receipt and they will give you points, and in the end you can redeem those points for gift cards, money. There's a bunch of stuff you can redeem those points for. That was my third one. Definitely look into those type of apps. Fetch Rewards, Ibotta, all of that. They will literally pay you to scan your receipts, and that is it. It's not that hard, you guys. Pretty simple. The fourth side hustle job that I want to talk about is investing. I know a lot of you guys do not believe in investing. I will sit here and I will tell you, investing is a really great thing for you to do. You don't have to have $1,000 to invest. You don't have to have a lot of money to invest. If you have $5, if you have $2, you have $3, you can take that little bit of amount and invest it. My favorite app to invest is, I use Robinhood. I don't know if you guys heard of Robinhood. I'll put it around the screen. Basically, you can invest in stocks, you can invest in a bunch of stuff, you guys. The good thing about those apps is that they will literally give you a free stock. They will give you a free stock. You don't have to pay for it, and basically you can just watch your money grow over time. But I will say that investing is more on the long-term side. Is if you're looking for fast cash, investing is not really gonna do that for you. So find other ways for you to make fast money, but investing is good in the long term. You just got to understand the stock market and how it works. If you want to know more information, there's literally, I'm pretty sure there's YouTube videos, there's stuff online. You might lose some, you might gain some. It's a win or lose, but why not go ahead and give it a try, you guys. The next side hustle job that I do want to talk about is becoming a customer service rep. If you're one of those people who you rather just stay home and get paid, you might as well just look into stuff like that. There's a bunch of customer service job out here. There's reps looking for people to join their team from like $17 or $18. They would pay you money basically for you to talk to people on the phone. Depending on what company you're with, if people need help, you're gonna be the one that's gonna answer the phone and help those customers. The good thing about becoming a customer service representative is that you can literally work from your home. You don't have to go out. You don't have to go outside, you can stay in your home and work that job. Becoming a customer service rep is literally one of the easiest jobs out there, you guys. So if you're looking for a side hustle, something that's easy, something that pays well, look into that, you guys. Look into becoming a customer service rep. The next side hustle job that I do want to talk about is your own skills. If you're one of those people who have a really great skill, why not turn your skill into a business? Why not make money off of something you're good at? Like, what I'm saying is, basically, if you're good at braiding hair, if you're good at doing lashes, individual lashes, why not go ahead and start your own business? And so if you're good at braiding hair, you're good at doing nails, you're good at doing lashes, if you're good at any of those things, you guys, start your own little business. You don't have to have your own salon, you don't have to have your own building or none of that. You can literally be in your house and start your own little business and start making your own money, you guys. Think about it. All these big companies out here, they all started from somewhere. They all started off small. So do the exact same thing. Start off small. Becoming an entrepreneur is a really good side hustle. Just turn your skill into a job and start making money. If you're just one of those people who have a really nice imagination and you're good at writing, start writing your own book. There's apps like Episode, Wattpad. They pay people. You can make money just by writing your own little stories, your own little fantasies, fiction. It don't matter what type of genre book you want to write. You can write anything and you can make money off of that. I personally am not a good writer, but if you're one of those people who's able to sit there and just write a really good book and think about crazy stuff, why not go ahead and do that? Take that into consideration. If you're one of those people who've been thinking about it but just never had the courage to do it, this is me telling you right now, go ahead and start doing that. Start writing your own little fictional book or whatever it is you want to do. Go ahead and get started. All right, another side hustle job that I do want to talk about is an app. Taskrabbit. That's basically what the app is called. There's people in your area who needs help with little things. Like, it don't matter what it is. There's people that will literally pay you to help them build a desk that they bought from IKEA. There's people that will literally need help with you picking up their dry cleaning, mowing their lawn, doing little things for them. If you're home, that's a really great way for you to make extra cash, you guys. I'm pretty sure there's other apps similar to TaskRabbit. Literally simple things that some people can do. Why not go ahead and help them out? It's a really good side hustle job, doing little tasks for people and getting paid for it. The next side hustle job that I do want to talk about is becoming a tutor. If you are really smart, if you're good at teaching kids, or if you're good at a certain subject and you're trying to find ways to make extra cash, why not go ahead and get paid to tutor little kids? That's a really good idea to make money from just teaching. If you're good at a certain subject, why not go ahead and get paid for it? Become a little kid's tutor, so it wouldn't be hard for you because you already know most of the stuff. All you gotta do is just teach them, make sure they understand it, and get paid for it. There's apps out there that will allow you to create like a little profile, whatever, and try to find people that's looking for kids tutors in your area. So why not go ahead and become a tutor online? The last side hustle job that I do want to talk about is pretty crazy. I know you guys are probably gonna think I'm weird or something. I've actually been doing a little bit of research, and yeah, I'm just gonna say it. Basically, you can become a sperm donor or an egg donor if you're a girl, and things like that. They pay you really good money just to donate your sperm or your egg. So if you're able to help a family out, why not go ahead and do it? Obviously, there's a lot more that goes into becoming a sperm donor or an egg donor. If you meet the requirements and they decide to move forward with your application as a sperm or egg donor, you can make a lot of money. I'm talking about thousands of dollars, you guys, becoming a sperm or egg donor. I will say something, becoming a sperm or egg donor is not something, it's not really one of those things where it's fast cash, because it is a whole process that they have to go through before you can start making money. So like, but you do make a lot of money if you do meet the requirements and they do decide to move forward with you. So yes, you guys, why not get paid to help a family out, help a family conceive children? The reason why I didn't even bother mentioning surveys is because doing surveys online, it's a lot more work and it's not really fast cash. I don't consider that fast cash because they pay you like 3-4 cents to do one survey. Can you imagine how much surveys you're gonna have to do just for you to make decent amount of money? I'm gonna go ahead and close the video out here. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you guys. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.